where people meet tech and tech meets people. Between the clouds. All right, welcome, everybody. Whoever booked this episode, boy, I'll tell you, to get Bob Odenkirk and Nancy. Wait a minute, that's not right. This is not Bob Odenkirk. It's Bob Dankert and Nancy Pautsch from Envision IT. This is the Sonny and Cher of Citrix Partners, I tell you. I am so excited. Welcome, both of you, to the show.
Thank you, Sean. What an intro. Bless you.
Yeah. For those of our listener in Honolulu who may not have heard of Envision IT, Nancy, what can you tell us about Envisioners?
I can tell you that Envision is a group of curious and compassionate people growing a soulful company. Our business is actually technology services focused on optimization to help ensure that technology is an enabler to employee engagement and business success rather than an obstacle. People rely, more and more on technology to help them do their jobs. So we make sure that technology works as people need it to, so they can meaningfully contribute at work and hopefully have a better day at work. Right? Because when people have a great day at work, they're likely their better selves after work with their family, at the PTA meeting, at a sporting event, right? So if we can positively impact that world of work and that big part of someone's day, we think we can move the needle on societal good. And Citrix are the ones that help us do that.
I'm looking at the Citrix marketplace for microapps. And I got to tell you, Envision IT has quite a few of them. Bob, tell me about that.
Yeah, we have a number of microapps on the marketplace focused on really giving some introductory use cases, some real easy ways to add value to the experience of using microapps. So some of those are focused around like office space use, change management, well-being in the office, Kudos microapp, and soon to be inspirational breaks. That's going to help employees to focus on their overall well-being and keeping that up while they're in the office.
Has Envision IT participated in a Citrix Converge event in the past? And if so, how was that experience, and would you encourage others to do so?
Yeah, we've been participating in Converge since the first year. We're going to be speaking again this year, presenting on a microapp middleware to extend, empower, and simplify. So I'm looking forward to giving that talk. So
Bob, I can't let you go though, because you teased us, and we've got a question coming into the Q&A panel. No, we don't have a Q&A panel. But Bob, if there was a question coming into the Q&A panel, it would be, when is your session at the next Converge?
The session is October 26th, 2 o'clock Central. So convert that to your favorite time zone. And
yeah, do your math. Nobody said there was going to be math on this one.
Trying to keep it pretty easy, though. We're going to be showcasing building a single integration that utilizes a middleware, combining 5 or 6 systems of record to really showcase how we can tie those in together into a single microapp, into a single integration that allows us to deliver a lot of those functionalities that help us keep the users in that zone of genius. So taking those multiple systems of record, and that's where we've really found the high value comes in when you're building these microapps, is building these systems that tie everything together, helps keep the user in one spot and tie a lot of these data points together. So it gets those applications talking to each other. It gets the data that you're specifically looking for right where you want it to be.
Where can people go to find out more about Envision IT and the microapps that are currently in play?
Go to envisionitllc.com. That's our website. You can go to the Citrix Ready Marketplace and see all of our apps listed there. You can frankly go to the Citrix partner search, and we should pop up pretty top of the list. And then also certainly check out Converge.
I looked back at the Envision IT report cards from many years ago in grade school, and one of the comments was, plays well with others. So I have to say that if you're out there and you're thinking, microapps and I'm not the subject matter expert, or, you're even working for another partner that isn't a subject matter expert in it. Envision IT is one of those partners that plays well with other partners, and they're the subject matter experts. It's like going to the bullpen and calling in that expert closer that can build and bring that wealth of knowledge to your project.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, everybody. That's going to do it for now. Until next time, we'll catch you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks, Sean.